How annoying is it when this happens? You're out on a ride, living your best life, using your phone for sat-nav, everything's going great, and then, bam, 1% battery, phone dies, no music, no maps, and no clue where you are. Brilliant. So today I'm fixing that by installing the Hitchcocks USB power output to my Interceptor, but instead of just doing a boring how-to video, once it is installed, I'm going to do a little experiment. I'll fit it, then go for a ride with my phone almost dead, running full navigation to see if this thing can not only stop the battery from draining, but actually charge it whilst I'm riding. Will it work, or will I be stranded halfway through my ride with 0% battery and no idea where I am? Let's find out. Here is the dual USB power outlet from Hitchcocks motorcycles, and I'll be totally honest, when I first saw the rather hefty price tag, my first thought was, really? For a USB charger? But once I actually got my hands on it, things started to make sense. You're not just paying for a basic plug, this thing's proper. First up, you've got a beautifully made aluminium bracket. Simple, yes, but solid, well finished and cleverly designed to mount directly onto the bike's 41mm fork. That means no ugly wires cluttering up your handlebars, which for someone like me who likes to keep things neat, this is a big win. Then there's the custom cable. It's just the right length, has a factory style 2-pin connector that plugs directly into the accessory port behind your headlight. No slicing or splicing needed. The USB unit itself, metal body, rain cap, 2 ports, good stuff. Installation straightforward. The bracket comes in 2 parts, so no need to dismantle your forks. Just bolt it around the stanchion, feed the wire through, plug it in, job done. Since it's wired into the accessory circuit, it only drains power when the ignition's on. Crucial. Never wire USBs directly to the battery unless you fancy jump-starting your bike every few days. It's a slick, plug-and-play bit of kit. Sure, you could build something similar for less if you've got the tools, time and patience, but for the convenience and quality on offer, yeah, I'd say it's worth it. It's a proper thumbs up from me. It's on. And it's took me about, I'd say 35 minutes, but that was with me recording the entire process. If I wasn't filming today, it probably would have took me about 15-20 minutes. I'm really impressed with the install, nice and easy, and seeing it on the bike now, it looks like a factory fit part, which I am a massive fan of. I've got the phone battery down now to 10-15%, which seems to have taken ages. How come when you don't want your phone battery to die, it goes like that? Weird. Anyway, I've planned the route on Kalimoto and it is about 2 hours long. What I want to see is if this is actually going to charge my phone, and if it does, how long is it going to take? Because I've had it in the past with like chargers in the car. As soon as you put your sat nav on, put your charger in, and it doesn't seem to put any extra juice in the battery. It just keeps it at the same level and stops it from completely dying. So hopefully that is not the case today. I'm going to get some gear on now. Let's go for a ride. Before I set off, I just thought I'd show you this. The phone battery is on 7%. I hope you can see that. It's plugged in. It's not a fancy rapid charge cable. It came free with a rechargeable electric fan on Amazon. I've got it plugged in there. Let's go. So I am 1 hour into the trip, roughly 1 hour. I put a 16-mile loop in and I've covered 30 miles. Let's see what the battery's like. I'll show you this together so you don't think I'm lying. So we're an hour in and the battery is on, you can see that, it's on 40%. So it is charging. We'll see what it's like in another hour. I'm back. Just let me shut this door. One sec. Now, I wanted to stay out on the bike, but what's just happened, right? I've come up to a junction and it's like a giveaway junction. Look left, look right, and I've looked left, and as I've looked right, my neck's just gone on me. I'm feeling so old. I won't tell you how old I am, but I'm in my 30s. I'm nearer to 40 than 30, put it that way, and I'm definitely feeling it today. Anyway, let's have a look now. Let's see what the battery's on. The moment of truth. Not bad. It's on 70%. You can see that. Hope you can. I don't think that's bad. Am I right in thinking that if I had a better charging cable than this, it would have charged it quicker? You know, one of those rapid ones. Because this honestly is the cheapest cable. It came free with something off Amazon. I think it was an electric fan. It's not the best. But I'm happy with that. That is a great item, that USB charging port. If you want one, I will put the link for it in the description below. Thank you for watching. I have a little camping trip planned in July. I don't know if I've already mentioned this. I'm going to be out on the road for a few days, so I need somewhere to charge my phone. That is perfect. I'm also thinking as well if I can get the charging dock for my GoPro batteries, somehow mount it on the bike so I can also charge the batteries up and the phone, as there's 2 ports on the USB output. Yeah, as I've just said, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.